English, Tagalog, and Bicol translations. Serve, to give or provide something to another person. Magbigay, magsilbi. Magtao, mag-istimar. Serious, needing thought or concentration. Important, in a sober manner. Seryoso. Low, not high, being near the ground or bottom. Mababa. Grand, including many things. Very large. Malaki. Dakulaon. Fly, to travel through the air using wings. Lumipad. Minor, not so large in size, not important or valuable. Hindi masyadong mahalaga. Daing ng God, importante. Tongue, part of the body that tastes food. It is a pink or red and is inside the mouth. Dila. Expose, to make visible without covering or protection. Ibulgar, isiniwalat. Coffee, a brown drink made from roasted beans and boiled water. Kape. Thank, to tell someone you are grateful to them. Pasalamat. Pagtaon ning mabalos. Live, to be alive. Mabuhay. Gradually, occurring in a slow manner over a period of time. Dahan-dahan. Luhay-luhay. Refuse, to say that you will not accept something. Ayaw. Habo.